Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to stay offline or hide your active status on Messenger. As you all know, Messenger shows you when you are online, but you can change that and appear as offline, or the online status can be hidden. Now, let me show you the process of how it can be done. First of all, open the Messenger application on your mobile phone. Now, once you are inside your account Messenger, you can tap on the profile icon on top of the left side. There, you can see options available, and in profile, you can see their active status. You tap on that. So when you're active, tap on that. Turn off active status. You won't be able to see when your friends or contacts are active or recently active. What this means is, if you tap on that, you won't be visible as an active user of Messenger, and you also won't be able to see your friends or contacts which are currently active on Messenger. So, to hide or to stay offline, you just need to tap on turn off, and now you won't be active on Messenger anymore. You can see there's no active users and nobody can see you as an active user on Messenger as well. Hope this video was useful to you on how you can stay hidden or turn off your active status on Messenger. Thank you.